Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, June 9th, 2010. Today we had a total of 10 executable trade signals for a max potential of 25 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups, give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning at 67.25 and we just kind of traded sideways there for a little bit, and we actually pushed up above our Globex high, and as we came back down to our moving average, that actually produced a signal to get short right there at the open, and that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for a 9-tick start, and the market traded down within a couple of ticks of the half gap, found a little bit of support, bounced back up through the moving average, gave us a signal to get long, and right after 10 o'clock we got the news announcement, and we got targets 1 and targets 2 hit right after that news for 6 ticks to the upside. Went right back up to that Globex high level, found resistance, and immediately came back down, and through the moving average gave the signal to get short, and then that produced targets 1, got stopped out right up here to the tick, unfortunately to the downside before moving down to close our half gap. Unfortunate for us that we took that stop because the trade ultimately went in the direction we were looking for, but that was a T1 minus 2 stop out on that move. Went down, filled our half gap, found a support bounce right there at the test of the previous day's high, came off of that high, gave us an extension signal to get long off of this quick move up. Targets 1 and targets 2 were hit to the upside for 6 tick off that move, and then sorry about that, 6 ticks off that move. Found a quick bit of resistance, came back down. Now we're forming a kind of a bull flag here. Got a signal to get short, did not get the follow through to the downside, ended up getting stopped out on that trade. And unfortunately for us, that breakout move when they broke that pattern edge, although we had a nice target up there and there was a way to get on that trade, but you had to just mark it into it. Our signal entry came down and touched us on an extension, but did not give us the fill, unfortunately, right there at the open price. So not going to count that as a trade, although we had several folks in the room that were able to catch that and hold on for a ultimate target up there near the 78 area. You can see we put in a high at 77.75. Then between 11:30 and 1:15, that's what we call the lunchtime dead zone. We don't initiate any new trades. You can see the market just kind of was trading downward that whole session. No new opportunities for us until after the 2 o'clock hour. We had a little cross around, got an extension to the downside that produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 7 ticks on that first move down right after 2 o'clock. Came back up through the moving average, and we got into a series of chop here, and we just took a bunch of T1 stop outs. So at 2:15, got a signal to get long, got the first contract off, got stopped out on the second. That turned us right into a short signal, got our first contract off, got stopped out because of no follow through to the upside. Took a third signal long, first contract off, no follow through, stop out. So it's just T1, T1, T1. Each one of those 2-tick stop out. And then finally, after after that third time, came down through a moving average, got a signal to get short, targets 1 and targets 2, and that one actually picked up a lot of momentum. There was a lot of opportunity to carry that. That was a 7-tick trade, is all for our targets, but you can see the market went all the way back down to the previous day's close before finding any support there at 3 o'clock. So all in all, pretty great day for us. We had 10 trades, 25 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.